Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all two different sarees. One, I've already made a video that's linen saree, but I got a new blouse, so I'm going to share with you all that, and on top of it the No2 Saree, which I got it from my sister-in-law. So stay tuned until the end of my video so I can share with you all the blouses and of course the matching accessories. As you see here, this is the saree that I was talking about. My sister-in-law got this online, so I do not know the price of it. This is actually a gift for me. So this is the overall saree. Nowadays again this is coming in trend, like all over the saree same color. It's always in trend, but I like to mix and match this with different blouses. So this is the overall look of the saree. As you see, top we got the small border, and then the bottom we got the long border. So this is the traditional design we got, again self design, no other color other than the blue, and then the little silverish gold color in here. Again traditional design as well with mango leaves and everything. So this is the overall look of the saree. I did not get the saree blouse stitch for this. This is the blouse that I got. In lighting you may see it different, so that's why I've attached a separate picture so it exactly matched. And I like the way that they have designed the blouse. The only regret that I got is I wish they could have stitched something for the hands as well, like the border, like a small button or some unique style instead of just a plain border here for hands. That's the only thing that I was thinking. Other than that, everything else is good. And the material of this blouse is little expensive side. I think around 1700 rupees per meter or 1600, and then of course stitching. So overall it cost me around 2300 rupees, but it's a No2 saree, so I thought it would be a good match. And then I can of course match it with other blouses, with other sarees as well. So that's the reason I've selected this, and this is the overall look of this. Now let's move on to the second one. Second one came with the saree. Already shared that saree with you all in my previous video. So that's a cotton saree. I think I got it from Sundari Silks, and this is the overall design. They have done a work design on this, and I think they have charged me around 1500 rupees for this blouse. I didn't remember exactly, but that's how much they have charged for work. And look at how nicely it's matching. The color is unique, and also on top of it, it got this hand design, lot of work going on in here. Since it's like a No2 saree style, it will perfectly match, and having these additional colors into it will give more look and more neat look to the entire look of the saree. And especially when you wear jewelry and all, this perfectly matches. So that's the reason I've chosen this blouse, thinking that this would be a perfect match. And again, subscribers, let me know in comments what you all think. Now let's move on to the jewelry. So this is the one that I have selected for this. Again, since this is a No2 saree and with a traditional blouse, we should have a traditional looking design jewelry. So that's the reason I've selected this, and it's very elegant. And then the beads here is also excellent. And for this, the matching earrings, again my all-time favorite, and also the earrings I've shared in my previous videos as well. Now let's move on to the linen saree. This one I've already shared in my previous videos. The only reason that I'm sharing this today is because of the new blouse that I got for this saree. The hand design that they have designed for this is excellent, and the backside is a simple design. Usually linen sarees we should go with stylish blouses, like unique blouse designs, but we cannot do work or anything. Usually linen sarees will have some work or some border, something will be there. So always like different hand design or different neck design will always elevate the look of the linen sarees. And these are the earrings. I didn't remember whether I shared in my previous video or not, so that's the only reason I'm sharing the matching earrings for this saree. Now let's move on to the bangles. So these are the first set of bangles that I've selected for the No2 saree, and it really elevates the saree look and everything. The reason only I was adding yellow color here for both the sets. This is the second set because of the blouse that we got, and again it has all these colors. I can even mix pink, but blue color is the main goal for us, so that's why I'm just sharing it with you all. A simple light touch here. And then moving on to the third set, these are all stone bangles. Again, for No2 sarees you can mix and match with various designs, but this is the style that I've selected. Again, I'm not sharing any bangles for linen saree. The reason is I've already shared that video with you all in my previous video with the 3 different blouses and everything. If you would like to share that, if you'd like to see that video, please take a look into the description box so that you can see the link of that other video. And that's all for today, friends. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.